The world cycling witnessed today an Eritrean clean sweep of all the classification jerseys at the Union Cyclist International UCI Africa Tour meeting in Gabon's La Tropical Amissa Bongo.
Eritrea's Natnael Tesfatsion took the leader's yellow jersey, while his compatriot Mulubirhan picked up the third place in stage 2 of the race.
Natnael Tesfatsion, just 20 years old professional cyclist for Italy-based NTT Continental Cycling Team, the former Dimension Data attacked in the last 3 kilometers accompanied by 2 French riders Victor Lefay from Cofidis and Jordan Levasseur from Natura 4 Everubai, but he was the only one to resist the return of the peloton to lead the finish line in style.
The Italian yellow jersey Attilio Viviani, winner of the first stage, finished 15:32 behind the Eritrean winner.
Natnael Tesfatsion is the 6th Eritrean runner to win the classification of a stage in the Tropical Amissa Bongo and the 4th to wear the yellow leader jersey after Marin Russum in 2012, Natnael Burhan in 2014 and Tesform Okuba Mariam in 2016.
This year's start lists at La Tropical Amissa Bongo are from countries: France, Italy, Belgium, Poland, Lithuania, Japan, Chile, South Africa, Algeria, Angola, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Eritrea, Gabon, Ivory Coast, Morocco, and Rwanda. This is Mia.
And I am Barry. We are reporting for Savana Habesha Sport.